You've just landed on the B-Buzz Bang channel. Bang, bang.
Episode 1 of our Capitals and Continents series. You'll see a country, pick the correct capital through, and then you get 3 seconds to name the continent.
Okay, after every round, you get an extra bonus geography question. Let's see how far your knowledge really goes. Ready for a brand new quiz? Let's jump right in.
Round 1.
How's it going, guys? Anyone still holding that perfect 7 out of 7? Okay, but now, bang, a bonus geography question. Let's see if you can handle this one.
What is the largest continent on Earth by land area?
Okay, we're heading into round 2. But first, hit like and subscribe, and good luck.
Round 2.
Okay, round 2 is done. And you know what that means? Time for your bonus question.
What is the smallest continent on Earth by land area?
Bang! You made it! Welcome to round 3. Before we continue, hit like, hit subscribe, and let's keep the momentum going. Good luck.
Round 3.
All right, time for a bonus geography challenge. Let's see if you're ready for this.
Which is the smallest ocean in the world?
Okay, we have just 3 countries left in this episode. Whoever gets them all right is a true geography master. Let's see if you can do it.
Final round.
Okay, nice work getting this far.
Your score in the comments right now, Clyde. I'm checking. Hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching the B-Buzz Bang channel. Bang!